Good morning, children. Now let us start with second volume. In second volume, we have 6 chapters. Chapter 7, 8, these are all differential calculus 1 and 2. Then 8th chapter, integral calculus. 9th chapter, differential equation. It is going on. But I will start with the 11th chapter because small chapter. We have only 5 exercises. Only 5 exercises. The 7th chapter, 8th chapter are all lengthy exercises. There is so many problems are there, and also so many exercises also there. That's why I want to complete a small chapter. The 11th chapter, 12th chapter is small chapter. That's why I want to complete these two chapters first. Now volume 2, chapter number 11, the problem distribution. Now I start with the binomial distribution. This is actually 11.5 exercise. Only small idea, all the problems are very small idea, small formula, 11.5 exercise. That's why I will start 5th exercise. For binomial distribution, random variable x equals the number of successes with the probability P. The success will be P. The failure is Q. What is the formula for Q? 1 minus 1. Then n is independent triangles. Here say binomial distribution denoted by x is approximately P of n comma P. N represent number of triangles. The P represent number of success. Then P is what? Binomial. Then probability mass function of x is given by f of x equal to ncx p power x q power n minus x, where x equal to 1, 0, 1, 2, etc. The one small idea, mean, that is mu equal to np. N into p is a mean. Standard is sigma equal to what? Root of npq. Base is what? Sigma square equal to 1 npq. And adding both p plus q always 1. Therefore, p equal to 1 minus q, q equal to 1 minus q. Sometimes, success given, you will find failure. That is what? 1 minus q. That is q equal to 1 minus q. Mean always greater than the variance. Mean always greater than the variance. This is one more concept. Now, exercise 11.5, the first question, compute P of probability of x equal to k for the binomial distribution P of n comma p where n given, p given, k given. This is given now. First given n equal to 6, b equal to 1 by 3. We want q, no? Q dot 1 minus b is the formula. 1 minus 1 by 3 is what? 2 by 3. Now what is asking? Probability of x to k is asking. Probability of, first take the formula clear. Probability of, actually this is f of x, no? This is f of x. This came written as, in the formula itself, we want to write this one. It's easy for you. Probability of capital X equals small x. Probability of capital X small x is equal to n is the formula. Our probability of capital X is small x. What is the formula? ncx b power x q power n minus x comma 0, 1, 2, 3 etc. This is the formula. This is standard formula. Now replace the value n. It is what? Now what is asking? Probability of x equal to 3 is asking. K 3 no? अब f of x equal to k asking f of k asking k is 3, that's 3 asking. अब replace small x equal to 3, small n equal to 6, p equal to 1 by 3, k equal to 3. Otherwise, substitute all over here. N is what? 6cx. P is what? 1 by 3 power x. Q is what? 2 by 3, 6 minus x. Now, x equal to what? 0, 1, 2, etc. up to 6. N is 6, you know. Now only P of k is asking. P of x to k is what? 3. Now, replace x by 3. 6c3. 1 by 3 power 3. 2 by 3 power 6 minus 3. Now, the value for 6c3 is what? 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 1 into 2 into 3. So we cancel. Now 1 by this is what? 3 power 3. 2 power 6 minus 3 is no? 2 power 3 by 3 power 3. Now multiply 20. Into 2 power 3 is what? 8. Okay, 3 power 3, 3 power 3 power 3 is what? 27. This is 27. 27 and 27. 27 and 27 multiply 160 divided by 749 is the answer. 27 27 are 28 160. Now in this type of problem, what is N, what is B, what is Q? Write the formula clearly. Substitute the value for N, P, Q. After what is asking? P of X equal K is asking. K already given 3. Replace X by 3. That's all. This simplification only. Anyway, the maximum from this area only. That's why I want to complete 11.5 exercise. Now second subdivision, A equal 10, P equal 1 by 5, A equal to 4. What is given? N equal 10, P equal to 1 by 5, Q equal what? 1 minus V is the formula, 1 minus 1 by 5, the 5 is LCM, cross product, 5 is 5, minus 1 is 4. After finding N, P, Q, the binomial is given the formula, what is the formula? NCX, P power x, Q power n minus x, where x equal to what? 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. up to n. Now replace the n value 10cx, B is what? 1 by power x, Q is what? 4 by 5 power 10 minus x. Now what is asking? Probably x equal to k is asking. K already given 4. Now replace x by 4. 10c4, 1 by 5 4 to 4 power 4. 4 by 5 whole power 10 minus 4. 10c4, what is the answer? 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. 2 4s are 8 we cancel. 1 times, 3 times. 3 7s are 21 in 10, 2 28. Am I right? Here 1 by 5 power 4. Here 4 by 5 whole power 10 minus 1 is what? 6. 4 power 6, here 5 power 6. The book answer is 4 power 6 by 5 power 4, 5 power 6 what? 5 power 10. 5 power 10 means 5 you want 10 times, after you want to multiply. That is a lengthy calculation. That's why need not write 10 times. This is the answer. This is the book answer. 2 10 into 4 power 10 and 5 power 10 is the answer. That's all. What is P, what is N, what is P, what is Q? Write the formula, substitute the value. Then P of K is asking. K already given, substitute the value. Replace x by 4, then similarly we get the answer. This is a binomial distribution. Similarly here also the same thing. What is given? N equal to 9, P equal to 1 by 2, Q is what? 1 minus, this is the formula. 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 minus half is what? 2 is actually 1 by 2. Write the formula. NCX, B power x, Q power x, comma, x equal to what? 0, 1, 2, etc. up to n. N is what? 9cx, 1 by 2 power x, 1 by 2 power 9 minus x. Here by chance, listen here, the base will be equal 1 by 2, 1 by 2. The power will be r. Adding x plus 5 by x. This is the problem. P and Q are equal probability. That's why the probability added. Can you know? But 9cx 1 by 2 for 9. Now what is asking? X with K is asking. K is what? 7 is given. The question. Substitute here 9c 7 1 by 2 for 9. 9c 9 minus 7 is what? 2. One probably now 9c 7 9 minus 7 is 2. If you want subtract, if it is less than 1, you want right. Subtract and right. But if greater than 1, you need not subtract. That's the idea. The previous question now, 10c4 is there. Suppose you want subtract 10c4 can have 10c 10 minus 4 6. So 6 is what? More than 4. That's why you need not subtract. When you subtract means we get small number, you want subtract. Into 1 by 2 over 9. But 9 is into what is the formula? 9 into 8 into 2 number 9 into 8, 1 into 2. The 1 by 2 power 9. What is no? What is the answer? 36 into 1 by 2 whole power 9. The 1 power whole power 9 can is again 1 power whole power 9. No, this time is 1 by 2 power 9. That's all. This is the answer. That is the answer. Then you want to write 9 times, then suppose you get the answer. But this is enough. Up to this is enough. Our length calculate coming, the power will be 2 power 9. That's all. First 3 subdivision, the same method. 2 more 3 more same. Remaining problem also same method. But it is all direct given. Some of the problem you will guess P, Q, N. But it is direct given. That's all. First 3 subdivisions are over. Now exercise 11.5, second question. The probability that Mr. Q gives a target at any trial is 1 by 4. That is what given P equal to 1 by 3, 1 by 4. Am I right? Given it, you will find Q. Q what is the formula? 1 minus P. 1 minus 1 by 4. 4 is LCM. 4 is 4 minus 3 by 4. That the tries at the target 10 times, number of times. From the question, you guess P, Q, N. And immediately like the formula, here, tries hit the target or not hit the target. That is what? Only 2 even. Suppose hit the target or not hit the target. That is what? Only 2 even. That is called binomial. Pi is 2 even. No. That's why pi is the binomial theorem. Then what is the formula for binomial theorem? Binomial distribution. This is a formula. After guessing n P Q, write the formula immediately. What's the formula? 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Now, substitute when is 10, Cx, P, 1 by 4 power x, 3 by 4 power 10 minus x. Now, x equal 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. 10. Write the formula, substitute n, P, Q. Now, what is asking? What is asking? The first one is probability of exactly what is. That means what? X equal to 4. X equal to 4. Now, replace small x by 4. 10c 4. 1 by 4 whole power 4. 3 by 4 whole power 10 minus 4. So 10c 4. Here 1 by 4 power 4. 3 power 6, 4 power 6. Am I right? Am I right? 10c 4. Next 3 power 6 by 4 power 6. Actually, the value for the 10 into 9 into 8 into 7, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. Am I right? 2 4s are 8 cancel. 1 times is 10. So 3 into 7, 21 into 210 into 3 power 6 divided by 4 power 10 is the answer. That's all. Am I right? 3, 1 power 4, 1, 4 power 4. This is like what? 10 minus 4, 6 actually. 3 by 4, 4 power 6 means 3 by power 6 divided by 4 by power 6. Here base is equal. Multiply both, the power will be added. Is then 4 power 10. 3 power 6. Yes, we will 2 times. This is the first subdivision. What is next subdivision? At least one time. Probability of at least one time. At least one time, what is the meaning? At least one target. Next is at least one mean x greater equal to 1. Am I right? X equal to greater equal to 1. Am I right? Suppose you will ask your parent at least you want 50 rupees. That means what? You will expect 50 and more than 50. Am I right? At least you want 50 rupees means. 50 rupees means what is the meaning? The minimum is fixed right. Minimum is fixed. 50 rupees. I want at least minimum 50 rupees mean. You may expect 50 and more than 50. That's why at least one meaning 1 and above. 1 better. 1 and above means what? 1, 2, 3. It's going up to 10. That is not lengthy calculation, no. To avoid lengthy calculation, what is explain you? 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 10. The total probability is 1 from 1. Here what is asking? More than 1 and more than 1 is asking, no? What is the number? 0. When subtract 1 minus 0. Then here, x is what 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 10 is there. The total probability is 1. This is what result. Total probability is 1. Sigma bi equal 1. This is the result. The sigma bi means the probability of 0, probability of 1, probability of 2, etc. going on. Probability of 0. So adding to the equal 1. But we want what? More than 1. 1 and w is asking. Am I right? The 0 extra is there. That's why 1 minus 0. What is that? In this case, more than 1 asking. 1 and more than asking means from 1, you subtract the remaining number is 0. Now replace x is what? The formula, replace x by 0. 10 c 0. 1 by 4 whole power 0. 3 by 4 whole power 10 minus 0. But 10 c 0 is what? 1. 1 by 4 whole power 0 is what? 1. Here what? 3 by 4 whole power 10. Am I right? This is the answer. Here 3 by 4 whole power 10 no. The length calculation will come. What is length calculation? Need not should be like this is the answer. Really? At least 1. That means 1 and more is asking. 1 and more means 1, 2, 3 is up to 10 asking. Adding already. But you get lengthy calculation. So avoid the lengthy calculation. 1 minus you subtract the very quantity. More than 1 ask 1 and you ask, the remaining was what? 0. You subtract 0. But replace x by 0 to get answer. This second question maybe 5%. 2 solutions asking, no? That's why you got 5%. This second question 5 maybe. You want to guess the n, p, q value? Write the formula and substitute the value. Then what is asking? Exactly 4 means replace x by 4. At least 1 by what? Greater than 1 is asking. That means what? 1 minus 0, extra x, quantity x to 0, replace x to 0, correct answer. That's all. Now question 3, but 2 was the 3%. Using the binomial distribution, find the mean and variance. In the binomial distribution, the mean is what? NP. Where is what? NPQ. From the question, you will guess the value of NPQ. After write the formula, substitute. That's what 2 was the A pair coins tossed 100 times. Listen here. The pair or pair. What difference with this one? The pair means 2 coins are tossed. But in a pair means some other meaning. Mind it. That's why a coin, only one coin, tossed 100 times. The enemy put 100 times. X is the number of hits. The P means success, probability of getting. Probability getting. What is that? P equal to in coin 2 size 2 divided 2. That is all 1 minute. So 1 minute. Q also what? 1 minus P, 1 minus R. That is equal probability. Number of times 100. The P is probably getting head is what? 1 by 2. Q is what? 1 minus 3. Now what is asking? Mean and variance only asking. Mean and variance only asking. Write the formula of what? Mean and variance. Mean. What is the formula? Mean is equal NP. N is what? 100. P is what? 1 by 2. Cancel 50. First answer. The variance. What is the formula? The formula. Sigma square equal to NPQ. N is 100. P is 1 by 2. Q also 1 by 2. 100 by 2. 20 is the answer. First answer over. Am I right? Second subdivision. What is given? You have by tie set. Given n equal to 40. P equal to what? Probability of getting 4. In times we have 6 numbers. That's right. 6. 4 only one number, no? 1 by 6. So Q equal what? 1 minus B. 1 minus 1 by 6. 6 is LCM. 6 ones are 6 minus 1 5 by 6. Now the same thing. What is our name? Me asking. NP is the formula. 240 into 1 by 6. Cancel. 40 is the answer. Then variance. NP2. N is what? 240. Again. 1 by 6 into 5 by 6. 40. Am I right? Again 2 table. 40 into 5 by 6. 2 table. 23. Simplify. 100 into 3 is the answer. Just you want to simplify. Need not to write the representations of fraction. 100 by 3 is the answer. Only simplification. That's why 2 mark, 3 mark. You want to guess N, P, Q from the question. That's very important. Then write the formula for me and variance, subsequently you get the answer. This is the problem 2 mark and 3 mark question. Very simple concept. That's all. By exercise 11.5, the question is what? Fourth question. The probability of that a certain kind of components will be survive of identical test is 3 by 4. Am I right? P equal to 3 by 4. Q equal to what? 1 minus P, 1 minus 3 by 4 equal to what? 4 is LCM. 4 ones are 4 minus 3 1. Am I right? Find the problem that exactly 3 is asking 3 of the 5 components. Of N is what? 5. 3 out of 5. That is what? We can have the 5 no? Out of 5. That's why 3 of the 5 components being N is 5. Exactly 3 is asking. Immediately take the formula. NCX, B for X, Q for N minus X, the X equal to what? 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. This is a formula, standard formula. Now substitute the value again. NCX, 5CX. P is what? 3 by 4 for X. Here 1 by 4 whole power 5 minus X. Now what is happening? Probability of exactly 3 is asking. That means what? X equal to 3. Replace small x by 3. 5 is 3, 3 by 4 whole power 3, 1 by 4 whole power 5 minus 3. Am I right? The 5C3 means 5C2. Am I right? What is that? 5C, 5 minus 3 is what? 2. 5C2. Here, 3 power 3 to 4 power 3 into 1 by 4 whole power 2. 5C2 is 5 into 4, 1 into 2. Cancel. 27 by 64. Am I right? 1 by 60. Now multiply. What is the answer? What is the answer? You multiply the 20, 10 into 27. This also cancel no? 8. 270 by 64 into 12, 32, 3, 5 into 2. 270 by 5 into 2. Am I right? Sorry, here 5 is you know. What answer? 5 is you know, start with 5 into 4, today only to cancel, only 10, 220, the same thing only. Number 64 and 6 is what? 1024. Am I right? This only I want to cancel 2 times 10, 27, 2 plus 70, divided by 64 and 60. Now once I divide by 2, that is the answer, no problem. Am I right? 270 by 1024 is the 18 to cancel. That's why this is the answer. It is possible to cancel 2 tables again, one side divided by 2. But this is the answer. Anyway, this question, from the question you will get P, then Q, then N, then write the binomial theorem formula. Now what is our thing? Exact 3 is asking me, replace x by 3, we get the answer. These are 2 mark or 3 mark only, because only 1 mark asking now. Now, fifth question. The questions are SAT question. That's why I want explain only answer. That was the book. A retail purchase of a certain kind of electronic device from the manufacturer. The manufacturer of the retailer randomly picks 10 items. 10 items is n equal 10. The manufacturer indicates that the defective rate of device. Defective rate of device. So, defective rate of device is 5% is given. That is B. The first one is rate of defective 5% is. That means what? 5 by 100 is 1 by 20. The Q equal what? 1 minus B. 1 minus 1 by 20 equal what? 20 is LCM. Plus 20 minus 1, 19. N equal what? 10 and 10. From the percent, you will guess the value of P, Q, N. Now the first sum is what is asking you? At least one defective. After finding P, Q, after guessing the value P, Q, N, you will take the formula for binomial distribution. Now the problem is same only. Now substitute value 10cx 1 by 20 power x 19 by 20 power 10 minus x. Okay? Now what is the first subdivision? Probability of the first of at least one defective. At least one. Already told you, at least one means what? Return required. One and 0. So it is not possible to find 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0 is 0. 10 is 0. 1 by 0. 19 minus 20. 1 from 10 minus 1 minus 10 is 1. Any number for 0 also 1. 19 by 20, 4 from 10. But simplification is not possible here because this number is 1 by 10 times. That is not possible. That is the answer. Am I right? Second subdivision. What is asking? Exact two defective asking. Probability of exact two. That is what? Probability x equal to. Substitute 10c to 1 by 20 whole to 19 by 20 into 10 minus 2. 10c is 10 into 9. 1 here 1 by 20 square. Alright? 19 power 8 by 20 power 8. Therefore, cancel now. 45 into 19 power 8 divided by 20 power 10 this answer. That's all. This is simply not possible because power 20 is now 29 not possible to multiply. That is the answer. In this way, one symmetry. Anyway, from the question, guess the value of P, Q, N. Write the formula for binomial distribution. Substitute N, P, Q, N. After subdivision 1, at least 1. Subdivision 2, exactly 2. In this way, replace x value, we get answer. That's all.